A beautiful patience is one in which there is no complaining to the creation and only complaining to the Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That we don't seek sympathy from other people. Of course, it's all right if other people comfort us and tell us it's going to be okay. That's different from actively seeking out sympathy of others. Rather, we take our complaints directly to Allah Azza wa Jal. And someone might ask, what does complaining to Allah mean? Is that even a thing? Is it allowed to complain to Allah? And the answer is yes. Just like how Sayyidina Yaqub did, we're allowed to complain to Allah in a positive manner. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that we don't question the wisdom of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Rather, ashku or the shakwa of complaining to Allah means you express your grief to Allah. Ya Allah, you know what happened. And it is causing me grief. And so you try to elicit sympathy, not from people, but from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.